Morning everybody, 11:16:33 seconds, Monday, April 8th. This is the drawing for the Hulks 180, 181, 182, the Wolverine first appearance set. Over here are the 45 filled spots. Okay. So I want to go up and down one time just so everybody sees that they are filled in properly. Alright. Here we go. I'm going to roll the 3 dice. The number is Yo11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. The name at the top of the list will get all 3 books. I will actually try to get them out in today's mail. So best of luck, everybody. And away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final one. 11. Spot 39, Jacob Miller. Congratulations. Time is 11:17 and 45 seconds.